Alright, 2003 Saturn L300 V6 cylinder 4 misfire fault. I had to do a head gasket job anyway. Some oil was leaking down into the couple of the spark plugs, the right and left one up front here. The middle cylinder is 4. So when I was doing that job, I did notice that this boot had some wear in it, and I took them all off to clean them up because some of them were oily. I don't know which one it went on, but I put it in the front middle one here in case it did give me problems, because I had a cylinder 4 misfire fault before. So I thought I would change the spark plugs and do the head gasket, the valve cover gasket job. And I put it in front and the middle in case it was problematic. Sure enough, the cylinder 4 misfire came back, and I didn't know it at the time, but I looked in the manual and that's the one I put this boot on. So picked up a new boot for $8, putting it on. But I did notice that on the cover of the transformers, on the coil pack, you can see a lot of small cracks in the plastic. So I just took some RTV, filled in those cracks too, in case any, high voltage arcing was getting out of those cracks to the engine grounding instead of through the spark plug. But trying this before doing a new coil pack. Hopefully it's just the boot. So I'm not sure why. The front middle one, if I remember, was not full of oil, so I don't know why this would have been so compromised. But I guess maybe electrical arcing would blow through that. Doesn't feel real dry or anything, like age would have caused this to eat through. But in case this works, I'll follow up, and before I post the video, I'll know if it worked or not once the car goes through all its IM cycles, so I can get it inspected.